there's a snowstorm coming, so I'm gonna go hunting now. Hello guys, it's Sandman here again with another Sandman's Greatest Freakout Ever updates / Diego Armando updates. So this time we'll be talking about Sandman's Greatest Freakout Ever 3. So every year we usually go hunting in mid to late January, between January 14th and January 28th, or between January 14th and February 2nd. 2013 we did it, in 2014 we went hunting. But 2015 we found out there was a snowstorm coming, so plans kind of changed for that. And usually whenever we go hunting, it's me, DDP, Eddie Guerrero, Kevin Nash, Scott Hall, and a few other people that are in the family. And instead we decided, why not have some fun with the snowstorm and film a Sandman's Greatest Freakout Ever. So I called up my old ECW friend Tajiri, and I told him, or I asked him if he wanted to pretend to be a campgrounds worker for a skit, and he said yes. And basically Sandman in that episode got mad because he couldn't go hunting, and the fact he says he could go hunting in any kind of weather made him even angrier. And in that episode, we also saw the debut of Paul, the drunken guy who goes, "My name is... what's my name?" But instead in that episode, he wasn't that drunk yet. He still remembered his name. But anyway, Sandman started attacking him in the episode, as well as attacking Tajiri, the campgrounds worker. And originally in that episode, the plan was for Eddie Guerrero to pick up the camera and Sandman say, "Stop filming me!" But knowing since Diego Armando kidnapped Sandman just before the series started, plans kind of changed for that. And it ended up being where there was no camera involved. And the ending was supposed to kind of go like that, where Sandman was supposed to leave angrily, but he was supposed to get hit by snow in the end, so that's also a little bit different. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this episode of Sandman's Greatest Freakout Ever.